Hello everyone, this is a very brief tutorial on how to do the setup of Upbeat music. Let's go. First thing I want you to do is hit setup right there. It's next to invite. And what it's going to do is take you to a place that reminds you to have wired headphones. Now this is important. Sometimes you can get away with having wireless headphones. The problem is it may have some connection issues with your Bluetooth. So when you can, use wired headphones. All right, next thing you need to do is you need to be prepared to speak, count, or sing, or clap something with an 8-note pulse. Let me explain how that works. Once you hit get started, it's taking you to a place where it's going to give you an 8-beat count in. You're going to react to that 8-beat count in and play along with the metronome or sing along with the metronome some type of rhythm. It's going to look something like this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. So what it's done is it's now recorded you to the metronome, and we're going to see if it lines up. I'm going to hit preview. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. It wasn't perfect, but it was pretty well aligned. So with that information, we also know the sound wasn't distorting or anything. For the most part, it was all there. Go ahead and hit continue. And now we are looking at a place that we're calling the sound wave area. If you look at this, it's wanting you to drag left or right to calibrate. What that means is this whole area in yellow is something that can be dragged to the left or to the right. Now, when you were speaking, or when I was speaking my count in, I was saying 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Where the biggest part of the sound wave here is right here, that should be on beat 1.
You need to make sure that you calibrate your sound wave and not the metronome beeping noise. The little blip to the left of the green line is the metronome. The bigger sound waves are your sound. Make sure that you begin with your sound wave.
Now, it's a little different for each device, but sometimes you want to start it right at the edge of, this is beat 1, so right at the edge of it. Sometimes it's more important to put it right in the middle. It just depends a little bit on your machine, and you just have to play around with it. So for my machine, we're going to try it just at the front edge of it. If you look, most of the big beats have lined up there because we dragged the whole file. I'm going to hit play. We'll listen and see if we line up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. Definitely wasn't perfect, so I'm going to try to drag it a little bit more. I'll let you hear what it sounds like when it's really not aligned. So let's say we go too far that way. Here it is. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. So that's clearly not right. I'm going to go ahead now and try to put it where I think it belongs. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. I'm going to call that lined up. I don't think it's 100% perfect, but it is definitely close. I'm going to hit done, and at this point, we have finished the setup for Upbeat Music. And what it's done is taken a snapshot for that moment in time with your recording to your internet connection to this application. So that's it. Hit close, and now you're ready to record with your friends. I hope this brief tutorial was helpful. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.